That's what we're talking about, guys. This is a township, this is the hood, but amazing structure.
Spruitview saqala, there was a mayor yase Katlehong Ekurhuleni wathola le ndawo lena, and then makayithola ama-developers ama-approach.
Very beautiful developments happened here.
At Story 88.
Okay guys, we're still at Spruitview. Just covering Spruitview. I'm still checking Spruitview, what's happening there. Yeah. Spruitview is just breathtaking, guys. Very breathtaking. The houses here are just amazing. This house is just amazing. It's an old design, but yeah, very interesting. That's a really amazing structure over here, guys. A very beautiful house. Yeah, Spruitview is just amazing. It's just amazing. This design is just interesting, guys. You can see that they are old designs, and they're trying to keep up. I'm not sure here if there's still people residing here. It's a beautiful suburb of Katlehong, guys. Spruitview was established in 1989. Last time we did the other part, so now we're continuing with the other side. Spruitview. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful structure. Stunning. That's what we're talking about, guys. This is a township. This is the hood, but amazing structure. It's a suburb in Katlehong, the southeastern parts of Johannesburg. Spruitview.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, So when you're this side, you're not far away from the highway.
The highway is just on our left side there. The entry highway, which goes straight to Durban, and also we take that highway when you're going to Johannesburg and the other sides of South Africa.
That's my only friend, no light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes, you snooze.
So when you're here, you may think that you are in a Deep Kloof extension. Yeah, it's almost similar. This area is almost similar to Deep Kloof extension. It's the same vibe. It's a suburban vibe.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Spruitview, Sakala, I don't remember which year, but there was a mayor yase Katlehong Ekurhuleni.
Okay.
Wathola le ndawo lena, and then makayithola ama-developers ama-approacher, and then kwasikwa istand yabo.
Oh.
Originally it was supposed to be about 600 stands, but ngobu-greedy kwama-developers bazikhatha le stand, they ended up being more.
Okay.
But you get the minimum size stand, it was supposed to be 400. Otherwise, mina la ifike ngo-1992.
92.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think that's 32 years.
Nah, that's a long time. 32 years.
Yeah,
now.
32
years now. 2024.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh wow.
Otherwise, you're not so far in the way right. Angazi ukuthi kukhona wena ukwaziyo ngale ndawo.
So I've done a little research. Ngitole nje ukuthi kancane, maybe it was established 1989, somewhere there, and there's lots of famous people who came here. Some they were coming from Soweto side and all around in Gauteng. They are dwelling this side.
Original, I'm from Soweto.
Soweto.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Which area is Soweto?
Mfulo.
Mfulo.
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't covered Mfulo. But I've done other parts like Deep Kloof extension, Orlando, Dobsonville.
Yeah.
We've already covered those areas now. Pimville, Besta, Hills, that side.
Okay.
Yeah. Kule channel already says postile vele.
Send postile.
Yeah, yakhona lawo ma video.
Yeah.
Story 88.
Is story 88.
Story 88. But finally apostrophe.
Okay, kumele ngifake.
Yeah, ngifake ukuthi 88. Story
Alright.
88.
Okay.
Yeah, we're covering mostly about the township life.
Okay.
Especially the beauty of our townships.
Yeah.
Because now we've seen enough of Suburb, the Strait of Sentinel and stuff.
Yeah.
We also need to see our own neighborhoods.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, siyabonga baba umxolisi mina igama.
Police. Okay.
Yeah.
Wayimpumalanga.
Elukwatini.
Elukwatini sengike ngafika khona.
Uwafika elukwatini? Bavele kufanele baba. Tsala utravela.
No, elukwatini ngafika ngoba sasithengisa insurance.
Oh, okay. Yes, guys. Yes, we're at Spruitview. I've had a good chat with our senior citizen. Yeah, he nicely explained a bit of history about Spruitview, and also he's also a resident. He came here in 1992, so that's really interesting. And we see very beautiful developments happened here. Yeah, as you see the structure, this house is not done yet, but almost complete. Very beautiful. See, the idea was very beautiful. Okay guys, because of time and also our battery life, I won't cover us for long, so this is where we'll be dropping the video. We'll be stopping the video. Thanks for you tuning in, and thanks for your support.
At Story 88.